Welcome. In this quick guide, we're going to walk you through how to allow sound permission on the Facebook app on your PC after the latest update. Whether your videos are playing silently or you're having trouble hearing notifications, this solution should clear things up in just a few steps. Let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're running the latest version to ensure these steps match what you see on your screen. Now, look at the top right corner of the app. You'll see 3 dots. Go ahead and click on them. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, select App Info. Once you're in, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a section called More Settings and Permissions. Click on this option to expand it. Now, here comes the key step. Under this expanded menu, look for the sound setting. You'll notice it has a permission toggle right next to it. All you need to do is click that toggle and choose Allow. This gives the Facebook app permission to play sound on your device. That's it. You've successfully enabled sound permissions on the Facebook app on your PC. From now on, whether you're watching videos, live streams, or scrolling through stories, you'll be able to enjoy crisp, clear audio without any trouble. If you ever want to adjust this setting again, just follow the same steps. It's always good to double-check permissions after an update since some settings might get reset automatically. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out our other tips and tutorials to get the most out of the apps you use every day. See you in the next one.